Hello, welcome back. As you have been seeing our track of studies and all the things you have been seeing that we are trying and focusing on the studies and different things we have been explored with you. So now, as you can see, the several topics we have been discussed about you, that how the studies goes and different things based on the studies which are very important for everybody. We are just focusing on them and trying to make your ideas much better and easier to understand and easier to clear the concept. So as we have been done till today, so next video you will see about the modals, how in English modals are very important. These are the helping verbs which are very impressive to use because of most of common thing when you see out somebody is talking about something and they are discussing any topic, so they are using modals because modals are used especially when we are going to give our feelings to somebody, right? Whenever we speak something, so different case of just simply saying the verb to do something, these are the based on tense. But when you express your views with your feelings, right, you are hardly touch up something, so you use modals, right? Many people there are who are confused about modals, how modals are used, right? Modals are that when these are also helpful, like can, could, may, might, would, should, these all, right? They are also helpful, but the important thing is how they are used in the grammar and how and where we should use them. So it's very important to understand that modals are really important things which are based on the English communication whenever you talk with somebody. So the most important thing that modals use when you are in touch of your feelings, right? It is expression of feelings. Otherwise tense and modals are not different, but just modals have the feelings of expressing your views, right? Somebody is somebody that how respective you are, if the person that whom you are talking, if he is your junior or he's we can say below to your social respect, so just you can limitly say sometime you don't believe that how to make the fact of talking, right? But the thing is that everybody who is living in the life, they have a respect automatically, it comes from inner side our body, right? So when we talk about the feelings of the mind, so we talk the people that we respect them and we regard them. So exactly as every an individual usually respectful and we should respect them, we should give the respect them, and we should keep in mind that everybody has its own respect. We should not deny about that. That's why English text tells you that how you can respect the things. Modals are playing the big role. I think 50+% the sentences of respect are convinced with the modals. Modals are giving the big support, as well as modals are used to convince the person with respective manner. It tells you the level of feelings, when you ask somebody, the way of asking, when you threat, when you are enduring, when you are responding strongly, when you are committing, when you are by intention you are very happy, so you are with a zealous mood. Sometimes you are not in zealous but you are jealous. So these are the cases where these things come, and even sometimes you are threatened with somebody. So all people people have the different mentality senses sometimes, whenever they work, so automatically the behavior of human being is the different cases. So we have different levels of feelings, right? So these are being modals can easily express the views and the way you are thinking, right? So it's a very helpful for the people that whoever is wishing to use the modals, it means they should have very deep knowledge of this, right? The next video I will bring of modals and their uses, how they are, right? So today I'm telling you the how modals and what modals. Modals are those helping verbs which are really important to use in the life, and everybody has the very big concern with them because of whenever you are showing your deep feelings, expressing your feelings based on positively, negatively, you are angry or you are happy or you are very zealous or you are jealous, whatsoever there, right? So every feelings are being expressed with the help of modals, right? Modals are very wonderful uses of helping verb. These are just like helping verbs that we use in the tense, but modals are giving a bit feeling based sentences, just like you ask somebody what kind of, what way, what you have, what kind of respect you are giving, what kind of possibility there is, these things are altogether caught. So that's why we can say modals are really important. So keep in touch and see the next video of modals. Thank you, good day.